Great. So now we've spoken a lot about your profession, your personal times while growing up, about the current affairs and about HR as an industry. I'd like to take you away from all of that and focus just on you, right? So this is the me side of me, where we ask you various questions about you as an individual. One thing you love about your job?
One thing I love about my job is, I think human resource professional have a great job of being the conscience keeper of the organization. We are the one who is expected to bring the other side of the view, the people side. Right. Most often than not, when business decisions are taken, the people side of it doesn't come on the table. And I think I can bring that, and that I really love, because in all our ExCom meeting, ManCom meeting, after all discussion on a business strategy happens, everybody looks at me and say, "Ye to kuch alag bolega," and I say, "Yes, Murak, I am paid to tell something different. Have you thought what will be the impact if you do this? Impact on people in whatever way." And I think that I love. Trying to make sure I am playing the role of an umpire.
Right. To balance the sides. Absolutely. Favorite destination you would love to travel to, or you've traveled to?
London. That is my favorite destination always.
Interesting. Your favorite food?
Well, I'm a Bengali, so fish curry and rice is a comfort food. Is a comfort food, yeah.
Okay. A book that probably inspired you the most?
Okay, I think two books. Which one I read 25 years back, Fountainhead, Ayn Rand, and one I read probably 5-7 years back, Steve Jobs' autobiography. I think both books resonate with me a lot. The undying spirit of an human being for excellence, own hard work, dedication and passion. I see this commonality between these two bestsellers, and that resonate with me a lot. I may be miles away from what's written there, but I think that really motivates me a lot, these two books.
Any role model?
Okay, and very similarly, so my role model would be again somebody which we grew up role modeling, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I think again somebody who spoke differently, who did things which nobody thought can be done, and create a niche without thinking really what the entire world would be thinking for his action.
Okay. Did you have any fanboy moment, probably when you met a celebrity or made an effort to meet someone whom you have idolized?
So we are very hard-nosed corporate people, so we are not expected to show our emotion when we see the celebrities in the airport. We need to kind of see who the hell I am equally as good. But let me tell you, I did have my celebrity moment very embarrassingly, and my daughter said, "Oh my God, I never know you can behave this way." So it was meeting my idol, Sunil Gavaskar. I was bowled over. We got a chance to actually chat with him for 10-15 minutes, and I still remain. Again, I think I still have goosebumps when I see him, when I think about him when he was walking out in Australia, debating against an umpiring call and said, "I think you had been unfair." The first Indian sportsman who would stand up and talk about the hegemony of white players in the cricket field. I think he is a man beyond the cricketer he is. He was the first man in Indian cricket. So a real fanboy moment for me. We met him in Khar Gymkhana. He came for some inauguration. So fantastic fanboy moment. Yeah, a few years back.
Okay. Your most annoying habit?
I have. Scratching nails. Oh my God. Eating nails. I hate it. Everybody hates it. Can't stop it.
Okay. How's your family dealing with that?
Everybody hate it. They would like, "Oh, what is this?"
What do you think? Has it reduced or?
It has, but may or may not be. I know. Anytime I'm thinking, my nails will go. The moment I start thinking, it would go. I can't stop. What can I do?
Okay. A movie you walked out of midway, probably?
Many. I'm a big Bollywood buff. I have liked watching Bollywood movies like anything. No, but not that. I generally like most Bollywood movies, but still you end up suddenly entering a hall and you see, what is this happening? Now if you say, I remember once We actually fought a lot to get the ticket. It was in my college days or something around that. I don't remember, but some 20 years back definitely. It was a very famous movie of Subhash Ghai which came, Trimurti. And we spent a premium beyond my budget at that point of time to get a ticket. And we had to leave after half an hour, 45 minutes thinking, ye kya ho raha hai? So I had quite a few, but that I remember.
The movie flopped as well.
It was super duper flop. I think later we read a joke about it. Hopefully it is Trimurti. Subhash Ghai I remember. Hopefully it is Trimurti. I read a joke about it is, why do Mumbai police employ third degree on convicts? Please let them make him watch Trimurti. He will confess everything. So I said, oh my God, we were right.
Okay, so that personifies your frustration for that. Okay, what gets under your skin? Probably irritates you the most.
I think political behavior.
Political
Behavior.
behavior.
Anybody who is politicking unnecessarily.
Right.
I think I'm a big fan of being transparent, even if it may appear a bit bitter in the beginning. I think politics is something I really hate in personal relationship.
Interesting. Now, if not an HR professional, what would you have been?
Okay, geologist or sports administrator. These are the two things I would jump and love to be, other than what I am doing currently. And obviously, one thing I do aspire now, probably again going back to academics sometime.
Okay.
That remains one of my, and which appears to be more reasonable, not a sports administrator or geologist, none of which is possible.
Right.
What is absolutely possible, and probably I may
More
move
doable
to
right
is moving to academics at some time of my career or not.
Great. Now we come to your choices, right? So choose one between the options I give you. So Twitter or Instagram,
Twitter,
LinkedIn or Facebook,
LinkedIn,
cricket or football,
tough choice. Cricket,
physics or chemistry,
physics,
movies or music. I think I know the answer.
movies of ended up, yeah.
Weights or cardio,
None but cardio.
books or Kindle,
Books.
early morning or a late nighter,
Right now, early morning.
iOS or Android,
iOS.
formals or casuals,
Casuals.
casuals preferable. Okay, great. Well, thank you so much, Mr. Ghosh, for sharing your insights. I think it's been a really interesting conversation. Thank you. And we hope to see you again very soon.
Sure.
Thank you.